Good morning, everyone. This is Yvonne DiVita and Dr. Larry McDaniel, and this is an episode from the new pet health insurance blog from Purina called PurinaCare. And I'm really very excited about this new project, which is all about a lifetime of health and happiness for your pets. Dr. Larry, welcome, and let's talk about this new venture that Purina is doing and why. Why is Purina getting into the pet health care insurance business?
Okay, Yvonne. Purina is a company that's been in the pet food and pet care business for over 85 years. And it's a company that has grown and matured, and it's changed along with the needs and the wants and the desires of pet-owning consumers. And one of the big changes over the last several years has been the relationship that people have with their pets and how that has changed and grown to where we now view pets as just another member of our family. And so the idea of pet health insurance, we believe is an idea whose time has come. That the way people care about their pets now, the way Purina understands the relationship between pets and their owners, it was just a natural extension of a pet care company like Purina becoming involved with pet health insurance.
Yeah, that really makes sense, and I have to say that I've been excited about it also. And from the perspective of a former veterinary assistant, I remember, and this was over 20 years ago, pet health insurance was just an idea, and yet it just seemed like such a good idea. So it's exciting to know that not only is it viable today, but that a company like Purina is getting behind it.
Pet owners are taking a much more proactive role in their animals' health. So you combine that with the things that we've talked about on the Scratchings and Sniffings blog before about how sophisticated veterinary medicine is getting. When you combine that new relationship the owner has with their pet with the ability that the veterinarian has to provide very sophisticated services, it gets expensive, let's face it. So it's nice to have a third party come in and accept some of that financial responsibility so we don't have the owner having to make the decision between choosing the best possible care or something less. And ask veterinarians to provide less than the best care they have available. So that's another good reason for pet health insurance these days is just how sophisticated veterinary medicine has gotten. You can get MRIs now for your pet. Ultrasound is commonplace. And, these very valuable yet sophisticated procedures, insurance is going to help them become mainstream.
I believe so, yeah. And what is your involvement as a former veterinarian, as someone who's been really involved in, I know, the research on nutrition for dogs and other areas of Purina and pet care itself?
Well, my last position at Purina was in the new product development and new business development. So I was developing new products, new pet food products, the Fortiflora product with probiotics in it was one of the ones that I worked on. Among the new businesses that I worked on was this development of the pet health insurance. And we started this project before I officially retired from Purina. We started it back in, I believe it was 2005. So we worked on this project for 3 years, 3+ years, to get it out the door. And so I've been intimately involved with the development of the marketing materials, with the development of how we talk about pet health insurance to consumers. So we did a lot of research with Purina pet food users that had insurance. And we spoke to a lot of consumers during the development of this product. So, yeah, I've been intimately involved with it as a Purina person, but also, as a veterinarian, it makes me feel really good because it's going to allow my colleagues in veterinary practice to, that are thinking about, should I make that investment in the ultrasound machine? Should I make that investment in the digital radiography? I know it'll be better for my patients, but, will they be able to afford it? Well, as a veterinarian, being able to provide this third party that can help with that, I think it's going to be a great thing for the veterinary profession as well. And the bottom line is we'll be providing better care, helping pets live longer, healthier, happier lives.
Absolutely. Well, I think that is a great introduction for our new blog. Let's sign off for today, Larry, and we'll talk to you again soon.